Hello and welcome to Let's Accelerate, guys. My name is Tariq and I'm back again with a new trick. So in the previous video we learned the replace and added the content of the cell with a shortcut, and also learned the bonus trick to disable the double click option to edit the cell. In this video we are going to control the cursor movement like we promised in the last video. Now the cursor will move according to your wish when we hit enter. If you want it to go to left, when you hit enter it will go to left, or if you want it to go to right or up, when you hit enter it will go to up or left according to your wish. So before we start, let me inform you that if you're watching our video first time, I want to learn Excel from very basic, then you can watch this series from the beginning, and I have shared the link of the playlist in the description and in the eye icon of this video. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when we upload a new video. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, then don't forget to like and follow our page. So not wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, what happened is by default Excel automatically select the next cell down when you press enter by typing your data. But we can change this setting by choosing the file and go to options. In the option, all you have to do is to select the advanced and select the right option over here and click OK. And now if I enter, it will move to the right. Similarly, if I want it to go to another direction, I'll go to advance and I'll select the up and click OK. Now it will move up when I press enter, and same goes for the next one, the left. It will go to the left when I press enter, and let's come back to the original, the default option, which is down. So this can be helpful, suppose when you are stuck and your cursor is moving up or left or right when you press enter, so you can rectify it from here. So moving on to the next trick, suppose sometime what happens is we have a long sentence. I'm typing this, so this is video I have typed. Now I realized that I missed one word in this sentence before video. I had to write this is first video, but I just forgot. Now if I press any navigation key, if I press the left navigation key, I will lose this cell. So let me write this once again. Now I'm here and I want to edit, I want to write first before video. So what I'll do, I am in the enter mode. So I realize now that I have to type I missed the first before video. So what I'll do, we can simply press F2 and we can come to the edit mode, and we can go to the desired location in the sentence and type the first. And suppose if you are done with it, you can go back with the navigation key, and you can press F2 to come back to the enter mode. Now if you use the navigation key, you will lose the cell like this. So by using F2 we can change the mode from edit mode to enter mode. I have also made some complete video regarding the mode of the cells. If you haven't watched that yet and want to know about the modes of the cell, then you can watch that video also. So this was all about the Excel tricks for today. In the next video we will be discussing about the selected range navigation problem. Let me give you the trailer. When a range of the cell is selected, the Excel moves down the column. When it reaches the end of the selection, then it comes to the first selected cell in the next column. So we will learn how can we get rid of this problem in the next video, and I'll give you some tricks and the shortcut also. So if you think our video was helpful, so please like and share our video with your friends, And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, so please follow and like our page and keep watching Let's Accelerate. Thank you very much.